With the promise of faster cooking time, less energy use, and a healthier way to cook than other types of frying, plus tastier, it's no wonder air fryers have become so popular over the last few months. You may be desperate to get your hands on one, but before reaching for your bank card, there are a few things to consider before making that all-important purchase. There are a wide range of air fryers available to suit both large and small households, with different makes, models and features, all of which can add to the confusion when deciding which one to buy. First up, think about what you want to cook. As a general rule, anything that can be baked, roasted or fried will thrive in an air fryer, while sauce-based recipes, or anything battered, are best left to alternative cooking methods. Secondly, when it comes to air fryers, you need to consider size. As countertop appliances go, they can be big and bulky, so make sure you have the space on your size to accommodate an air fryer. The third point to consider is a particular design of features you need. Believe it or not, there are many different air fryer designs with a range of options to decide on. Number of baskets, a stirring paddle, a mini over style, an air fryer and grill, as well as a multi-cooker with an air fryer setting. Do your research and find a design that works best for you and how you like to cook. Our fourth tip is all about ease of use. Most air fryers have easy to understand controls, but look at these before you buy to check how well they illustrate the functions. You don't want to be reaching for the instructions every time you use it. On to number 5. How many people are you likely to regularly cook for using an air fryer? Capacities are much smaller than traditional ovens, with many cheaper models providing enough space for just 1 or 2 servings. There are larger air fryers on the market though, if you'll be cooking for 4 or more on a frequent basis. A final point to consider is, would you like your air fryer to do more than, well, air fry? Some models offer up other cooking functions, such as baking, toasting, roasting and more, making them even more versatile. It's worth shopping around to find the right air fryer for you. And armed with our top tips, it should be a simpler task. Visit exceptional.com for more from the team.